all you sailors near and far, you honest men know who you are. All of you who dare be free, combine with us upon the sea. Together we will drink a toast, ride the wind on down the coast, see the merchant ship aboard, raise a jar and swing a sword, watch to see the merchant captain crying when they see the black flag flying. The war with Spain is over now, no more Jack over the bow. We fight for no one but our class, we're gonna kick some captain's ass. All you who'd live before you die, come give an honest life a try. Sail beneath the skull and bones, pay no heed to crowns and thrones. No more greedy princes lying when you sail with the black flag flying. No more whips and no more chains, to live free or die is what remains. If life is too short either way, you might as well live free today. All for one and one for all, we'll board the ship and make the call. Join us, all you good men, and have your liberty again. Watch the crew now leave their captain frying, as they come sail with the black flag flying. Here's to Flying Robert's brave and true, and Mary Kelly's gallant crew. Seems to me the world is ours, watch as the mighty Navy cowers. We have no nation but the sea, no creed but that we will live free. We'll loot and burn all that we can that's run by a dishonest man. Their end is near, there is no denying, when they see the black flag flying. If I could predict the future, then I would, but all I know is this is good. 1720 is the year, and there is nothing left to fear. We may live or we may die, perhaps our destiny is nigh. I don't know what the end may hold, but I know these ships are filled with gold that was stolen from the poor as we lay dying. So let us sail with the black flag flying.